Insanity is doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results. That quote comes to mind every time Norfolk County DA Michael Morrissey doubles down on this case. And here we are again. The prosecution, still chasing Karen Reed, now wants access to her cell phones. Karen Reed was acquitted of second-degree murder. The jury said not guilty. But the story didn't end there. Her phones, already in evidence for years, are suddenly back in play. The special prosecutor, Robert Cosgrove, just filed a motion asking the court to set rules so investigators can dig through them. And yes, this is the same Robert Cosgrove prosecuting Turtle Boy for witness intimidation. The retired judge that Morrissey pulled out of nowhere, that's him. Here's the official line. Prosecutors say they need access to the data for ongoing proceedings. They promise filter teams will separate private from relevant. But let's be clear, a phone is not just evidence. It's your diary, your medical history, your location tracker, your bank account, and every thought you've ever put into writing. And if they can dig through hers after an acquittal, what does that mean for the rest of us? Michael Morrissey has built a career on doubling down. Zero transparency. He hides when things get messy. He's up for re-election next year, but you wouldn't know it from how invisible he is. The public is footing the bill for this endless circus. Every filing, every special prosecutor, every hour spent trying to squeeze blood from a stone. It's your tax dollars at work, Norfolk County. And for what? To chase the same theory that a jury already rejected over and over and over again? This is about more than Karen Reed. At its core, this motion tests the limits of your rights. The Fourth Amendment protects you from unreasonable searches. The Fifth says you can't be forced to incriminate yourself. So here's the question. If a password is in your head, can the government force you to hand it over? Some courts say yes, others say no. This ruling could ripple far beyond this case. If you live in Norfolk County, this matters to you. Every time the DA's office burns through more taxpayer money, chasing a case a jury already decided, that's money not spent on schools, roads, or community safety. Every time transparency is ignored, trust in the justice system erodes. And every time officials double down instead of admitting failure, they gamble with your rights. So what do you think? Is this pursuit of Karen Reed's phones about justice? Or is it about power politics and saving face? Because insanity is doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results. And Norfolk County taxpayers are paying the price.